Hey everybody, welcome back to the Renewed Homestead. I'm Ben and I'm very tardy with some videos for you. But I can't apologize too much. We had so much to do, we just couldn't keep the cameras up with everything we had going on because drywall is here. We had to get everything out of the house. We had to build shower walls so that when the drywallers are ready, they could get that wrapped up for us. Had to close off the floor because it was open from running gas line and plumbing, and so we had to get that insulation back in, had to get the old floor strips put down, put the subfloor back over that. Then on Tuesday, the drywall was delivered. Well, they could not drive around the front side of the house because it was way too muddy, so they could not put it on the front porch, so they dropped it out here. Well, didn't drop it, but they set it down out here on the back porch. So, thank goodness for friends. Michelle and William and family came over and they helped us bring those sheets in. Over 100 sheets of 12-foot half-inch drywall and roughly 50 sheets of green board, which is actually purple. So here's our purple green board, and in today's day and age, you can be any color you want, right? Let's not go there. So anyway, but a big thanks to William and Michelle from Pearl Pastures Farms. Billy was otherwise occupied, or he would have been here. You know he would have, but we got it all in right before it started raining, so perfect timing. But it's just really exciting to have this finally coming together. You know, the insulation in and the drywall up. They'll come out the next day or two, I'm not sure, and they'll get the taping and the mudding and all that stuff done. And then I've already talked to Clifford, our plumber, and he knows we're going to get the toilet and the sink in, and he's picking up the liner for the bottom of the shower so we can at least get one shower put together so we can start living in here and say adios to that RV. Oh, we're so close, and we cannot wait. But anyway, all right, so that's it. There was one other thing. We got a little surprise, I think, coming tomorrow, but Denise is going to want to tell you about that, so I don't want to spoil the surprise. So yes, a little bit of clickbait. You're going to have to tune in for that one. But anyway, that's what's been going on. That's what's keeping us delayed from getting videos out to you guys, and we apologize for that. But please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. God bless. And we will see you on the next video. I promise. Bye.